Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today with a huge haul. I had the chance to go to the Stamp and Scrapbook Expo that was here in Mesa last weekend. It was the first one since COVID hit. The last one I went to, it was the Rubber Stamping Expo at the same place, Mesa Convention Center, and that one was just before we closed down, so I think it was in March of last year. It could have been, yeah, I think it was in March. Anyway, do you go to expos? Do you participate in their classes? Leave me a comment in the section below. I would be interested. Does your desk look like this when you come home from Expo? Like from the, I go to all of the days. I go to the make and take. I go to the crop parties, so I have a place to chill all day. This was the first year I didn't attend classes. I usually do classes. But I just wasn't sure how it was going to be being the first time back. It was very much a smaller show. However, still fun, still great deals. It was great to see all the crafters I usually see once a year. I made new friends. The group that I usually go with decided not to crop this year. And so I sat with a new bunch of people and met some great new friends that I will be able to craft with in the future. So I'm excited of that. I'm just gonna share really quickly. If you do go to Expo, you know that they do buttons, and so this was this year's buttons. Everything says 2020 on it because they didn't get to use it last year. They also did not have time to purchase for this year because of COVID, and so I don't know what's gonna happen next year. Do we just get 2022s and skip 2021, or maybe the last couple of shows they'll have 2021? So, and I think the last shows are in California. So if you go to those, let me know. I want to see how I can get a 2021 show lanyard and some buttons. So I have ones from 2020. Well, you know, this year. Last year we didn't have it. Here's my 2019 buttons. Sorry for the glare. But my 2019 buttons and lanyard. And then 2018. And that's all the lanyards I have from there. I have my tickets so that I can scrapbook. And then they also give you these handy pouches every year. And I stick everything, my card in here because they have zip-up pouches, my tickets so I don't lose them, all my receipts go in here, and I just carry it around my neck. So I love these pouches. That's a great idea. So that's basically the gist of the expo. I will make another video of my haul. As you can see, I have lots to share. I even have some goodies to share with you guys. So stay tuned for my next video. Hope you guys are having a crafty day. For more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas.